Okay, so here is my portfolio that I did for my Education 150 class. Here you can see that I have just like a little introduction to what the assignment was, or what the website is. So you've got my assignments here, and then my biography, and then a button to actually lead you to my assignments. This is just a little introduction and a link here that will lead you to the biography page. And then I just talked about the different kind of technologies I learned how to use, including the one I'm using right now, of course. And then I just did like a little advertisement for my WebQuest, which has a link here as well that we'll talk about later. So then if you go to my biography, I just talk about why, like I start talking about the values and how that led me to find that teaching is my vocation. I put a couple pictures on here, and then I just added some favorites that I have just because I thought that would be kind of fun and different. Then my assignments, I have my Excel documents here, and then I have my PowerPoints, and I just decided to do one button with a drop-down menu because I thought it'd be easier than having a bunch of different ones. And then the Word documents that we did, which I'm pretty sure we only did one, but I could be wrong. Just like 10 tasks within one single document. And then we did a classroom's technology assignment, and I just decided to do a PowerPoint on the ToodleDo app because I have a lot of trouble with task management. So I just talk about how to use that app and all that good stuff. And then we have my WebQuest, which is just a link that leads you right to it. And so I decided to do a little WebQuest on Candide by Voltaire. And so I feel like it's really underrated in the school system, so I thought that would be fun. Plus, I'm really interested and passionate about it. So I started talking about just who Voltaire was, because assuming that they've already read the story. And then they would hypothetically be using a character that I would assign them as a lens to view a certain issue that we face as a society, and an event that they would pick themselves as well. So then you go into what they will actually do, and that would be to do some background research, which I created a worksheet for that, pick a social issue and topic, and then an event that relates to that, which also has a worksheet, and then a character that they are assigned to. They'll analyze their beliefs and use textual evidence in order to prove those beliefs, and then they will use that character as a lens for the social topic and event that they picked. If you go to the process button, I have like a rolling hills thing because it kind of describes the way that Candide is. You have all of the directions for the students. You've got my rubric here with a nice picture of Candide again. And then you've got the conclusion with a nice funny picture and just some recommendations for how to get more information if they enjoyed this, a quote from the story, and then that's really it. So I had a lot of fun making this, and I hope that you enjoy watching this. Thank you!